Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghostage problem on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove a screen protector or a case, and let me explain why. First, the screen protector, if it's not applied completely on the screen but it's going off to the edges or the sides of the phone, you should remove it. Now, if your case is going over the bezel, which is the dark line between the screen and the side of the phone, you should also remove it. And now what are we going to do is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints if we use a microfiber cloth. So now I'm giving a few swipes and everything should be good and ready to go. Now what are we going to do is simply restart the phone. So press the power button and keep on holding it. Now tap restart and restart, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over and update your software. So we're quickly going to do that. This is how you guys can do it. Just open up settings and click on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Let me quickly change the brightness. Now we're going to click here on INFINIX Note 60 Pro, click check for updates, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It is very important that you can fix your ghostage problem just like this. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.